Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I have a beautiful routine for you that is all about ease and comfort. So you can practice it in the morning, when you wake up, in the evening after work, or any time during the day when you need to relax, soften the body and clear the head. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, relax your whole body. Begin turning your hips and your torso to the side. Keep your feet firm on the ground and your arms and shoulders nice and relaxed. It's a good way to loosen the body and get grounded before the practice. Do that for about a minute or so. Slowly come back to center. Bring your hands together and rub gently until they feel warm. Relax the hands by the side. Take a nice deep inhale through the nose and raise both hands up so your fingers are pointing upward. Reach up, lengthening through the spine and the arms. Release the position and soften the whole body. Repeat one more time. Now, raise both hands up again and come up on your toes. Reach up. Then slowly release down and soften the body. Do it one more time. Now, take a nice deep inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Keep your breath nice and soft and tension-free. Repeat a few more times. From here, raise both hands up in the center of the body. Turn and look up. Then release the neck and shoulders, bend your knees and go down. Raise up again. Inhale as you go up. Exhale out and down. Repeat the movement 4 times. One more time. Now bring both hands up to the heart level and separate them. Look up to open the side of the body even further. Repeat 6 times, 3 on each side. Inhale when you press out in both directions. And exhale when you release and soften. Relax the hands down and place both hands in front of the lower abdomen. Inhale, move the hands out to the side to open the chest and arch your lower back slightly. On the exhale, release the position, round your back and come back to center. Repeat 6 times, 3 on each side. When you're finished, relax the hands by the side. Inhale and raise both hands up again. Exhale out in the center and place both hands on the lower back. Lean forward, sliding down the back of the legs. Relax your neck and shoulders and let your head and arms to naturally relax down. Inhale and slowly raise up. Exhale fully, finishing at the abdomen. Continue the movement 3 more times. One more time. From here, move the hips forward to send a wave up your spine so that your shoulders and arms come forward. This movement called the spinal wave and is a fantastic exercise to improve the blood flow up and down the spine and invigorate the body with energy. Keep your whole body nice and relaxed, as if you're rocking on the waves. It's important that you do not feel any pain or discomfort in your lower back, and if you do, limit your range of motion and keep it nice and soft. Let go of any tension that you might have and notice how your muscles begin to relax more and more. Notice your breath. Match the breath to the movement. Inhale as the wave travels up the spine, and exhale as you relax and soften down. To finish this routine, relax your hands by the side and take a nice big inhale up. Then exhale out in the center of the body. Repeat a few more times. When you inhale, open and fill the entire body. When you exhale, send your breath down all the way to your belly. One more time. Inhale up, then exhale down. Now place both hands on the lower abdomen and notice how your body feels. Take a moment to observe the sensations inside. Relax the whole body. The feeling of warmth inside the lower abdomen, a sense of comfort, ease, and well-being. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this routine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.